Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix sound problem in your device Oppo A38. In this device Oppo A38, if sound is not working, I'll show you how to fix this problem. Before I start, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon. Watch complete video and learn how you can do it. Let's watch.